Hello guys, review Huawei Nova Y61. Open box, blue completion. In completion we have device in the blue color, guide for apps, device without Google services, without Play Market. Okay, in completion we have protected back cover documentary, adapter for charging with quick charge, and Type-C cable. Okay, triple camera on the back side, on the front side display. This side Type-C, downside Type-C ports and headphones jack, power button and wall buttons on the right side. Left side slot for tuner SIM card and microSD card for memory. Okay, turn on device. We have IPS HD display, 6.5 inch, and open Antutu benchmark. Look, Antutu benchmark score. Huawei Enjoy 50Z. Antutu benchmark results. Okay. Close this and run Asphalt 9. Look how this game works on the device. Okay, game works on the low graphic level. Okay, close this. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.